Hey everybody, welcome back to Katt'z Corner, where that is me, Kat, creates her creations. What creations? Katt's creations. And today, we have some mail to unbox. This one, I bought a little convention oven, Good Crafters convention cup baking machine. We're going to be baking some cups. But yeah, it's a little sublimation convention oven that I done found online. And yeah, I thought I'd do a video. And then, while this was just sitting there, next day, I'll get this. Now I know I ordered some I don't have my mic on, some tumblers, sublimation tumblers to sublimate. Let me add this on here. To sublimate and yeah. I ain't gonna play with this. That's my money maker. But yeah. I ordered some I think last week. Matter of fact, last week to this day. And I know, good doggone well, this package ain't made it here from China. That damn fast. A whole week, and it's here already. I'm hoping that it ain't it and I got some surprise. A girl loves a surprise. You know. Always love a surprise. Always here for it. But yeah, so I'm shocked if it's here this soon. It actually came yesterday, matter of fact. Day before yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. I mean, came quick if that's what they are. If that's what this is. Hands down, I'm like, my head is spinning. That's where it came from. And if that's what it is, my tumblers from China, here within a week. What the hell? Please let this be something else so I can have my tumblers coming in and this is a whole different surprise. Yeah, I mean, I was just, you see how good I am? I ain't even touch it. I waited for y'all. We can do this together, baby. But anywho. I'm glad you guys are here. Thank you for coming. For the newbies, hey, please hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, please do so. And those who are subscribed, hello, and welcome back. And to the new ones, hope you come back again now, yeah. So, let's get into the openings of said boxes. Yes. Oh, and mustn't forget this too, a little package from eBay that I ordered that also came in. Safety, never cut towards you, cut away. Ain't nobody trying to go to no hospital. Thought you was gonna see something, huh? Thought you was gonna see something, huh? No. Why does it look like this thing already open? Now, this convention oven is small, okay? It says it's supposed to hold up 6. I think it weighs, dang it, don't have me guesstimate again. I think it was, forget about it. Don't have me to get to guessing and guessing wrong, so we're just gonna move on. It's small, but it's supposed to hold up to 10 tumblers. Up to, I think what they said, up to 30 ounce tumblers. So, I figure that is a perfect size because I absolutely have no room for any more gadgets. I told my husband, don't have me get no more gadgets. You know? He knew I was lying. I said unless it was for the business. And it is. And I thank everybody who contributed to said oven that I did purchase for the business. I appreciate you, all the love and support that you guys are putting in and appreciating my hard work. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And as you see, money well spent. It's going back into the business, right? Right, you let your business pay for itself. Let's get back into those boxes. Yeah, so, okay. We tight. It's supposed to be, I think it said 11 inches tall. And what have you. And it's my color. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. See the color there? Let's zoom in. Yes, it is. Don't fall off. I cannot wait to get the sublimate one, some cups and mugs and all that good stuff. Y'all see my little video? Did you? Oh, no. I need to stand up. You two gonna tell me anybody watching it or not. I'm gonna need y'all to support and watch my video. Thank you. I appreciate it. But, voila. That's, isn't it cute? It's just a little bit, kind of like a, what do you call that? Easy bake ovens, but an oven light. That's what it reminds me of. You see, it doesn't have no handles, right? How you open it? Child. Like it so. Stick your finger up there. Like it so. You can see it's fully loaded. With what? Let's see. Oh, you know I love me some hearts, baby. Why they got hearts on said gloves? And they so big. Huge, okay? Jesus. Who has this thing? Who has this? Golly. But they cute with the heart. You know you won me over with that. All the love, baby. All the love. But, yeah. These suckers are so big. Perfect for slating. Some slate routes. Okay? I'm going to be slaying some slate routes with these because those are huge. I don't know how we're going to grab any cups with them big old fingers. They give you free heat gun. Heat pen. It's no gun. It's a pen. Jesus. This little thing. Can't be choosy. But it's free. We have that. And we have some tape. We can never have enough tape. Damn. I do have enough of these. Thank you. I'm going to share and be grateful. Okay. We have the baking machine pamphlet that's stuck onto something. Your instruction booklet. Let me not toss that to the side and turn around talking about, where's the instruction booklet? You tossed it back in the box. Did y'all see that video too? If y'all seen that, which video was it? Tell me in the comments down below. What was it? Can you tell me? Someone who tell me what video that was can get a personalized bug. Tell me. You gotta be. I need it down there soon. Comment down there tonight. Don't be trying to run back and look, cause it ain't gonna count. Cause I'ma time it. And what else we had? My mother had mistletoe. We got some plastic sheet covers to melt down onto said mugs. And these are the ones for the sleeves, plastic sleeves for the tumblers. It comes with said convention oven. I thank you. We appreciate it. We'll always need more. More is always welcome. So that is just too cute. 3D booklet. Let's see what it says. I ain't trying to be here all night because it's late. I'm tired. I was tired. I'm ready to lay it down. Okay. Clearly, that's the lighting switch. If you can see, honey, can you get into it? Can you look closer? Without the glare? No, can't do it up there. Okay. This is the lighting, and this is the temperature now. Plus sign for up, negative for down is over here, and as you can see, it's the tiny window. And the next button is the timer, and the on and off button over here to the far right. Yay! Okay, goes up to 102 Fahrenheit. So up to 60 minutes. Tells you how to set it and whatnot. I'll go through this while I'm laying down in bed. So we can be up and ready to prep for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to do some testings. Get this all set up and get the testing. Right? Right. So there's all my supplies. The 11-ounce plastic sheet wrap. The 20-ounce tumbler wraps. My free tape. My big old gloves, excuse me. Trying not to use no cuss words. My big gloves that I will not be using for no gloves, no cups, because who can grip something with those big old things? You can just hold it like a plate, like I'm going to do with the slates. Bars. And this here will be taking the place of them big old gloves. Because, yeah, I already know. I'm not seeing them big old Hercules gloves. Big Hulk Hogan gloves. Who hands that big? Show ain't my, I know I got big hands, but not that damn gone big. I almost said another bad word. She working on it. She working on it. Yes. So, buy some gloves. Some grippable gloves. A little thin. Better not be too thin because you're supposed to be heat resistant. Yes, it says heat resistant up to 180 Fahrenheit. So, and that's it. This ain't gonna work. Yeah, no, This gonna be funny. This gonna be, yeah. We gonna see how that works. But I do have some still, my work gloves from work. I can use up under for the heat as well. So let's do that. And we're gonna put this baby to the side. Slide her over. I love the green. I'm here for the pastel green. In my trashy one spot. Now I'm looking for you. So We're going to test it out. And if these are tumblers, we're going to really see how many fits up in there. It's a small, cutie little thing, and that'll do for now. The dealer that I got it from, they, real easy, real nice. They shipped it, I got it here in 2 days. I'm talking about, if they ain't moving for a girl, I appreciate it. I appreciate it, I do. I do. You know, that's a long piece. I think I might be keeping, because I can use this board, this box part for, doing some socks. Come on, y'all, we finna look up in here. Oh, it might be. It looks like it's the tumblers. I see white. And I know I ain't buying that. Oh, okay. We in business. It's there. They quick in the mud. Hey, they quick in the mud. Gotta put it up on there and tell them they fit. Quickening. That shit quickly. Hold on, let me grab it before I drop the box on down. It's on, y'all. It's on. Make sure ain't nothing else in there. Freeze gifts, I'm here for them. I'm here for it. I am here for the free gifts. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. My boxes and stuff. Yeah, the tumblers are in, baby. Just top, bottom, top. These suckers is in. And we're going to see what they do tomorrow. I need to get my stuff together. And get the download and printing out some templates. I don't know what I want to do first. Tumblers or my nuts. Oh, I'm so sad. Wait, I was going to say I'm glad they here fast, but then I'm sad like they here fast. I don't have nothing else coming. Whatever. Oh, wait, I do got something else coming. Some rhinestones coming in the mail. I ain't complaining. Because they have been hooking the girl up. Am I getting spoiled? Give me more, give me more. Give the girl more, give her more. Oh, what is this? You know what? I'm not here for it. We're going to work that out tomorrow. All that noise I'm making on this mic and all that good stuff. Sorry about your ears if I hurt you. But, yeah, the tumblers are in. This baby is in. Everybody coming in together. Coming in right on time. For a girl to get busy and get into some good old work. Get back in that apparel that I've been missing out on. But it's all good. Better late than never, right? Right. You know what it is. So, thank you guys for coming to my box opening. My meal for the business. And all, you see hard work do pay off. And you let your business pay for itself. So, yeah. I'll see you on the next video. And I thank you guys for coming and joining me for this video. And I'll see you on the next one. On the sublimation video. Because, yes, it's coming. Alright. Don't forever forget who loves you, baby. And stay rooted. And I'll holler. Bye-bye.